Hi guys, woodwork, furniture, project, craft, custom price for your home. Woodwork is an art form that enable you to create custom furniture price tailored to your unique style and need. Whether you are beginning or a seasoning work make your owning furniture can be an immensely satisfying experience. Not only do you going to enjoy the fruit of your labor, but you also get to lesson, experiment, and unleash your create in the process. We explored various woodwork furniture project for beginning friend other to those quest move skill coffee table. A coffee table is a functional central prize for any living room. Make in it's one of the most popular furniture price depend on your skill level and demand aesthetic. You can create a rustic farmhouse style table or slave made country modern price or a maximalist sub with clean line material need wood parking table lounge would come how to create a simple coffee table. Start by select The high quality wood, like pin, other depend on your budget and aesthetic progress after meal and cut the wood to size. Use wood gum and screen to join the price stand the wood to smoke out any range area, then appear a finish to protect and enhance the wood gum from a rustic look level the edge natural for the more post finish sand and round customization type. Experiment with different log style such as for a modern look or keep follows wood branch. Wood branch are wood style furniture price that can be used and interest away at the dining table or and set in the garden. They're simple to build and can